This story name is Going Places. Big birds, airplane flies way up high in the sky. The airplane. The town below looks teeny. Battle speeds to the hospital in an ambulance. Its red light flashes warning. Cookie Monster's dream train puffs along while a car and a bus wait at the crossing. Oh, the fire engines! Siren shrieks. Everyone gets out of the way. Hong Kong. Telemonster rides his shiny new bicycle. He delivers newspaper to everyone on Sesame Street. The traffic police. Murder's ferry boat carries people and cars across the river and day long. Rodorosi's jeep bounces over the sandy plains. Watch out, cows! Ernest's tugboat pushes the big ocean liner into the bar. Toot, toot. Grover's airship glides over the city. Bird and Ernie waves hello. Big Bird takes a picture. Harry Monster drives up, down, across and around the town in the Sesame Street bus. He takes people where they want to go. Last of Sesame Street, everyone off. Goodbye.